What's up, guys? Jack here with MTS, and I just got a pretty interesting email from Amazon that says your Amazon.com account has been closed. Hello, we have closed this account because you've repeatedly tried to return items that are different to the item that you ordered, blah, 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 blah. And then your return for, I edited out the order number, contained the incorrect serial number instead of the original. Logitech MX Vertical mouse. You know, the mouse that I got, took out of the box, realized, hey, this is incredibly uncomfortable, and then went back to my G602. The mouse that I included the cable for, the receiver for, the mouse itself, and all the paperwork. That item. So, who's drunk at the shipping intake center at Amazon? Because, like, this has happened more than once. They never said that they were going to close the account, but this has happened before where they say, hey, you returned the wrong item. And I'm like, no, I didn't. They go, oh, yeah, you're right. Sorry about that. And then I get this. Like, I have Amazon affiliate links. Like, I've got email links and stuff that I've sent to people that need to be, working. And since they're affiliate links, like, I don't know how those are going to work. Getting everything changed over, if I have to create a new account, getting back into the Amazon affiliate program, all that stuff. Like, I buy over 2,000 items a year from Amazon. Like, I spend thousands and thousands of dollars there. Do you really think I'm going to be doing anything stupid over a $100 mouse? No. And yeah, they really did close down the account. Like, if I go to Amazon and just, it's like I'm logged out. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, but I don't really know what to do right now. I responded, I said, hey, can you please double check this? Because this has to be an error. I don't know. I'll just let you know what they say. But yeah, I guess I don't have an Amazon account anymore. But anyway, guys, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this, just get subscribed so you can see what I do. I don't know. Help.